There are two options for repairing system corrupted files using CMD. Both are described one by one. Go to Search, write CMD and run it as an administrator. In CMD, write command as sfc/scan now and press enter. It will start the system scan process for corrupted files. It will take some time to complete the process. The process will show the result after completion. For the second option, again go to Search, write CMD and run it as an administrator. In CMD, write command as dism online/cleanup-image restore health and press enter. It will take some time to complete the process of repairing system corrupted files.